Embroider Buddy isn't just for embroidery. Our products are designed to spark creativity in every form. In this demo, we're showing how easy it is to personalize an Embroider Buddy using heat transfer vinyl. We're starting off using our Cricut cutting machine and 2 colors of HTV. You can mix and match HTV and even layer to give it that ultimate look. Once we're done cutting our HTV with our Cricut machine, we weed the excess vinyl. Position your HTV on the Embroider Buddy exactly where you want the design. Because it's a smaller space, we're using the Cricut mini press. It's the perfect size for precise and even heat application. The colors stay vibrant, the texture feels soft, and the finish looks perfectly professional. Simply unzip your Embroider Buddy and remove the inner stuffing pillow. This gives you a smooth, flat surface to press on without any uneven areas. A few gentle presses is all it takes to set the vinyl beautifully into place. And remember, you're never limited to just one layer. You can stack and layer your HTV for dimension, color, and depth to create the exact look you want. We love seeing how creators bring their ideas to life, whether it's through embroidery, HTV, or a mix of both. With Embroider Buddy, personalization is easy as 1, 2, 3.